Hello everyone, as you just seen, this video will be about the Kdenlive Typewriter effect. So without any further ado, let's get started. I have my Kdenlive fired up here. So first we got to do is create a title. Come up here, add title clip, and let's just type in some text. Kdenlive. Yeah, I think this should suffice. So move that a bit left, and yeah, create title. So now that we got a title clip, we'll just put that in the video line and then come down to FX. Here we search for typewriter and drag this all the way onto the video. So now that we got this, it'll be frame step. So lower this value, the faster it is, and the higher the value, the slower it is. So let's try something like 5, enter, and play. So that then suffice for this. So we'll probably reduce it a bit to 2. So there you go. We got the typewriter effect in Kdenlive. Thank you.